In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own coloring book from scratch using ChatGPT and Canva. If you've ever wanted to design a bespoke coloring book, whether it's for kids or adults, you'll find this process both fun and remarkably straightforward. All you need is a bit of creativity and access to a few online tools. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by visiting the ChatGPT website at chat.openai.com. Go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is pretty simple and shouldn't take too long. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore all the creative possibilities ChatGPT has to offer. Now that you're set up, the next step is to brainstorm some coloring book ideas. This is where ChatGPT really shines. You can ask it to suggest themes that would be captivating for a coloring book. For instance, you might type in a request like, "Give me 10 simple coloring book themes for kids." ChatGPT will generate a variety of themes, perhaps ranging from animals and fruits to vehicles and fantasy worlds. Feel free to refine these suggestions until you're satisfied with a theme that excites you. With your theme in mind, it's time to translate those ideas into visual art. At the top of your ChatGPT window, you'll notice an icon that looks like a plus sign with a small image picture. This is the image generator feature, which is perfect for creating line art. Click on that icon and you'll be prompted to describe the image you want. At this point, you could type something like, "Draw a simple black and white line art of a cute cat for a coloring book." ChatGPT will then generate an image for you that aligns with your description. Feel free to experiment with different prompts to create a collection of images that align with your chosen theme. Once you've got your images, you'll want to download them so that you can compile them into a cohesive book. Hover your mouse over each image, and you'll see a download arrow appear. Click on it to save the image to your device. Make sure to organize your images in a folder so that you can easily find them for the next step. For the final part of this tutorial, we're going to put everything together using Canva. Open up Canva in your web browser. Here you can arrange your images, add text if necessary, and create a professional-looking coloring book. Canva offers a variety of templates and customization options, so take your time to experiment with different layouts and styles until you're satisfied with the end result. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a coloring book using ChatGPT and Canva. Feel free to print your book or share it digitally with friends and family. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!